Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is DramaBox mode on my iOS iPhone device, and I find the best mode for DramaBox, guys, and it works on any iOS and Android device. I even tested it on my Android that I'm recording and it's working perfectly fine. This mode, guys, every time that you will open DramaBox, you will get unlimited coins generated in your account. Simple as that. So guys, to get the DramaBox mode APK for Android or DramaBox mode iOS, it's pretty simple. All you need to do, guys, on your iOS device, first we need to do a step at the settings, but if you have an Android, you can skip this part. So guys, on your iOS device, iPhone or iPad, you need to go to settings, and later you need to scroll down and you should find the battery, and the low power mode should be off like that. Okay, so if it's on, just turn it off, guys, the low power mode. This is the only step that you need to do to get the DramaBox mode on your iPhone or iPad. If you have an Android, you can skip this part, as I said. So guys, to get the mode now, it's pretty simple. As you can see here on the right, you just need to go to APK mode iOS, and when you go there, at the top right, guys, you can write DramaBox mode, and you should search for the mode of DramaBox. And here it is, guys. When you're ready, you can just install it, guys, on your iOS or Android device, and you need to give it a couple of seconds, guys, and at the end you will see that the mode has been installed and activated in your device. But if, depending the country you are, sometimes it may ask you some extra steps. So if you see some other steps, guys, be careful to follow the instruction carefully. And if you've seen some games with levels, you should do these ones because it's have more successful rate for the mode to get activated much better and faster. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you need any help, let me know in the comment section below, guys. Any feedback is welcome, and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.